Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. On today's lesson, we'll be dividing 75 by 5 using the long division method. So it's 2 digit by 1 digit. 1 digit divisor by 2 digit. So we're gonna say 5 into root of 75. Right. So we're gonna say how many times does 5 go into 7? It goes in once. So 1, then we're going to multiply, then we're going to say 1 times 5, then we get 5 as our answer. Then each and every time after multiplication we subtract. So we're going to say 7 minus 5, which gives us 2. Then we drop the 5 again. Right. Then we're going to say how many times does 5 goes into 25? Goes into 25 5 times. So we put the 5 there on top. Then after that, we're going to say 5 times 5. 5 times 5, which is going to give us 25. So 25 minus 25 is going to give us 0. So therefore, our final answer is 15. 75 divided by 5 is 15. This is our final answer there on top, the 15. So this is long division. This is dividing 75 divided by 5 using the long division method. If we have 2 digits and then when I use the long division to solve it. This is how easily it is to solve it. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe.